Hello developers, this is part 3 of for loop. Here we will understand stop for loop, continue for loop and nested for loop. So let's go with stop for loop first. Here I'll write for loop for I in I want to print range from 1 to 10, and here I want to add one condition. If I equal 3, then break, else print I. Okay, so here let's understand quickly one more time. So for that is the keyword to declare for loop, I variable name, and here in, and then we want to print range from 1 to 10. Here I have added one condition. If I equal 3, okay, when the value of I is equal to 3, then loop should break. Let's check output. So I'm launching application, and here in console window we can see 1 and 2. Okay, the output is 1 and 2. First it prints 1 and then 2, and third time the condition I equal 3, then it has break the rule. Okay, so remaining value will not print. Great. Next, continue for loop. Here for I in 1 to 5, in this range, here I'm adding condition. If I equal to, then continue and print I. Okay, so so here for then I, so here we have range from 1 to 5, and here we have added condition if I equal to. Let's check output. So for now I want to comment out this and launching application. Here we can see value 1, 3, 4 and 5. When I equal to, then continue the loop, but we are not printing value. When this condition is not true, then we are printing I. Great. Next, nested for loop. So this is very important. When we have some pattern to print, then we go for nested for loop. Here let's take one example. For nested for loop is nothing but a for loop inside a for loop. Okay, let's take one example to understand better. So here I'll take for loop I in, I want to print 1 to 3, and then here I need to take one more for loop. Okay, that is called a nested loop inside loop. So inside for loop I am taking one more for loop. This time variable name I'm taking J, because I variable name has already taken in 1 to I, and then here I want to print a star pattern. Now let's check output. So here I'm launching application, and we can see output star 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 and print. So print ln. Okay, now let's check output. Here we can see first star, in second row 2 star, third row 3 star. Now let's understand one more time. This for loop, the outer for loop, we call it outer for loop. This for loop is for row, and this is called inner for loop, and this for loop is for column. And here when the value of I is 1, then it will print from 1 to I. Okay, so 1, and then the value of I is 1, then it will print 1 star. And here we have given next line. Okay, here we are printing next line. Now when the value of I is 2, then it will print 2 star, 1 to I, then 2 star here, and so on. So this is how we use nested for loop. That's all for this video. In next video we will explore a new topic. Till then, goodbye.